One very important question that usually come up before investing in real estate is, what's the title of the property? Sadly, many buyers of real estates, property consultants, and agents do not themselves understand what property title is or matters related to them. So, what exactly is property title and how do we understand property title? First is, what exactly is real estate? We need to understand that when the word real estate is mentioned, or when the term real estate is mentioned, what is meant, what is intended is land and every improvement on land, be it man-made or God-made. In other words, aside residential properties and commercial properties that we retain when you say real estate, you talk of transportation, you talk of agriculture, you talk of industrial, institutional, and when we say institutional, we mean hospitals, we mean government buildings, and even private buildings like religious buildings and the likes. They are all institutional. All these are part and parcel of real estates. So, sometime in 2016, I was in a meeting with Dr. Frederick Fashion, and the name Aliko Dangote was mentioned. Immediately, the Baba passionately started questioning the extent of land that Alhaji Aliko Dangote had acquired, all in the name of his refinery in Ibeju-Lekki, over 6 kilometers of land. A Hausa man in Lagos acquiring such expanse of land, he was passionately questioning it. So, what many of you see when the word Dangote is mentioned in Lagos here is refinery. But you fail to see the massive real estate investment is having. Something that, if at any point in time or for whatever reason his refinery ceases to operate, the real estate investment remains there forever. So, the saying goes thus: the rich build their wealth and keep their wealth in real estates. You can share your thoughts about this in the comment section below before we continue our discussion with property titles and how to understand property titles. Till I see you in my next video, keep safe, stay safe.